Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to take another Android diagram. Okay, we are going to talk about the dot in Android in general. So ladies and gentlemen, so you probably have seen the dot in a lot of time. For example, in the Kotlin section or even in the upcoming section, you will see the dot a lot. Okay, so let's discuss that. We use the dot in Android for two meanings. Okay, the first one is to apply something for on something. Sorry, to the first one is to apply something on something. Okay, for example, if we type alert.show, we are telling it to show the alert. Okay, by using the dot show, that means apply the show function on the alert. Okay, and the second thing, it's for the navigation or navigating between the stuff from outside to inside. Like if we type r.id.viewID, here we are going to from the whole resource, which is the capital R, to the IDs. Okay, to the IDs resources, the .id dot specific ID. Okay, so going back to our Android Studio, let's discuss this stuff. So the first thing that we need to do, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna quickly here, for example, we do not have anything to show, but let's create our own. For example, I'm gonna create a variable. Okay, I'm gonna call it, for example, name. It's equal to something like Rob. Okay, here we have a variable called name. Okay, the value of it Rob. Now I'm gonna do, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna type, for example, name. Oops, let's type name dot. Then what I want to do, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanna apply something on that variable. Okay, so this is the idea behind the dot. For example, dot, we do not have too much functions, but let's say, for example, to int or whatever. For example, here to string, we are applying the toString function. Of course, this is not valid because the variable is already string, but here we are applying the toString function on the name variable that we have. Okay, so this is the first usage of the dot, and the second one here we can notice it. For example, here we are typing r.layout.activity main. Here we are going from the higher stuff to the lower. For example, from the R, that means the whole resources inside our project. Then dot, we are going to the layout. Okay, then we want to choose a specific layout. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the idea behind the dot, and it's actually another programming language. It has the same meaning. So thank you guys so much for watching. We are gonna talk about more stuff in the next few videos.